So next is vacuum dewatering system. So we already studied two system of dewatering, that is well point and deep well. So in both well point and deep well, there lowering of water table occurs with the help of gravity. Okay, so such type of dewatering method is suitable for coarse grained soil such as sand. Okay, it is not suitable for fine grained soil such as clay. So for such soil, we can use this method known as vacuum dewatering system. Okay, and here in vacuum dewatering system, it requires a well, okay, or well point screen and a riser pipe which is surrounded by filler sand, which is extending only a few meters to the ground surface. The top few portion of the hole is sealed or capped with an impervious soil or other suitable material. So by having the pumping main a vacuum pressure, the hydraulic gradient for flow to the well point is increased. Okay. So this method is most suitable in layered or stratified soil with coefficient of permeability of the range. It's very important. The range is 0.1 to 10 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter per second. Okay, this type of method, that is vacuum dewatering method, is suitable for layered or stratified soil with permeability range 0.1 to 10 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter per second. A typical vacuum dewatering system in a stratified soil is shown in the figure. In the system, the well point should be placed closer than the conventional system. Okay. It is common to use suction pump in this system. Suction pump is otherwise known as vacuum pump, and the practical maximum height of lift of water is about 3 to 6 meter. Okay. So this is a vacuum dewatering system. So this is a pipe. Okay, this is a riser pipe. Okay, this is a riser pipe. So this is a borehole. In between the borehole and the riser pipe, there is a graded material like sand. Okay, so that the water can easily enter into the riser pipe. So here the perforations are provided only to a few meters. Okay, so this is a layered soil. So here this system is inserted in a layered soil or stratified soil. Here it consists of top layer is silt, then bottom there is a clay, then again sandy silt, okay, then silty sand. So it consists of various layers of soil. Okay, so here majority it contains fine grained soil, silt, clay, etc. are fine grained soil. Okay. So here this is a well point. So here through here the water will accumulated at the bottom, okay, of the borehole, and by means of a vacuum pump, okay, we can pump this water out from the riser pipe. Okay. So in order to create a vacuum in the borehole, so we need to seal the top of this borehole. Okay, seal the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so in order to create a negative pressure inside the borehole, we have to seal the top. Then by using a vacuum pump, we can pump the water out. So this method is efficient for stratified soil containing fine grained soil. Okay.